Good evening there, we are back. Okay, looking at the weather coming up, a bit going on, a big low pressure system moving into the Tasman Sea about Monday. Tuesday, a front flings in from that low and provides rain. I did see reports in the media about some heavy snow potential for the South Island. That could still eventuate, but these models I'm looking at the moment don't really bring any heavy low snow. For the ski fields, yes, but not really that low down. Okay, this is today's map, 3 p.m. this afternoon. Not a lot going on, but there is some nice weather here in the east. Front there in the Tasman Sea heading in. That brings some rain to the west coast overnight tonight, first thing tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, which is this map here. So the west coast, yes, a bit of rain, and there is a slim chance of some instability, meaning a slim chance of some thunder. Let's move around here. Low pressure system there developing in the Tasman Sea. Our next map, Monday, 3 p.m. in the afternoon once again. So that low has really deepened. That front there is moving in ahead of the low. It's going to bring some rain to the west coast. There is a chance of some heavy rain there, but thunder possibilities don't look to be very high. On Tuesday, that front moves in even more so. Most of the country looking fairly wet now. There is a hint, there is a hint I've got a bit of a cold at the moment. A hint of instability in behind the front, so the tip of Northland there, perhaps Tasman. A slim chance of an isolated heavy shower in behind that front once it moves through. And yes, I suppose there could be a slim risk of some thunder, but I don't rate the chances very highly. Yes, some rain moving in over the South Island, but the snow level is going to stick above about 800 metres. That is what I'm seeing at the current time. But these things could change, so I'd keep up to date with Met Service, Weather Watch, Blue Skies, all the good stuff, and yeah, see what those guys say, because I'll only be doing this once a week. Let's move to the next map, shall we? The next map, right, is this one here. It's the same day, basically, Tuesday, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, but I've zoomed out. This is why I'm saying not much low, heavy snow at this point in time. It's because of this high pressure system right there. It needs to really ridge deeply to the southern Tasman Sea, towards Antarctica like that, but because it's stretching eastwards like that, it blocks a lot of the cold air coming into New Zealand. A lot of the cold air is out here to the east, and you'll see that in the next map. It's the same time once again, but see all that blue there? That is where the really cold air is. Okay. Let's move on. On Wednesday, 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So there's a little bit of rain for this southeastern corner of the South Island. There is some slightly colder upper air here too. And there could be some snow for the southern ski fields down to about 600 metres, maybe. Doesn't look to be a heck of a lot, to be honest. And there is a little bit of instability here for the western side of the North Island, only a slim, minuscule chance of some thunder there. But there is a cold band of upper air right there, so that could bring some isolated heavy rain / showers into the west coast, northwestland, Bulla. Maybe a slightly higher risk of some thunder there. On to Thursday. We're doing a lot of days this week because there's a lot going on. Eastern side of the South Island, there's some rain firing in there. There is some cold-ish upper air too. Snow level at this stage looks to be about 800 metres, but we are starting to get a wee way into the future, so this could well change, but it is what it is at the moment. Then on Friday, a little bit more rain there for the east and south island. That high pressure system there, I won't zoom out for this map here, but it is ridging a little bit more deeply to the south, and it does bring in some cold air into the eastern side of the South Island. So yeah, eastern side of the South Island snow level could be around about 500 metres at this point. Precipitation rates, jeepers, I can't get my words out tonight. Precipitation rates aren't terribly high, so any snow is not going to be terribly heavy. Maybe the ranges of Kaikoura, Mount Lyford. You could get some heavyish snow in that situation. North Island here in the west also, and upper North Island, a chance of some instability, maybe some thunder there. And then finally on to Saturday, we're going way out, 7 days away. Basically the only thing I'll talk about here is there is some instability up here for Auckland and Northland, maybe a chance of some thunder there. Okay, we'll see you again next Saturday morning. Cheers.